Life is meant to be a celebration of an experience. An experience that we souls call life. Spirits having a human experience, navigating through a perceived world, journeying through undulating circumstances for some, for many, for all of us at some point. We forget. We forget that we are here to live this life aiming to make each moment the best moment that it can possibly be. There will be perceived ups and downs, but the aim, the pursuit, is capital. Make each moment the best moment it can possibly be. Live to love. Strive not only to love, but to be love. To emit this often elusive frequency, this energy that gives, this energy that heals, this energy that promotes growth, that creates life. Live, laugh more, to laugh again. If it does not make you feel good, don't do it. There are many paths to the same destination. Let's choose one that will make our moments here the best they can be. With the practice, with awareness of how fleeting each moment is, we can learn to find a glimmer of light in most, if not all, situations. Pain is inevitable in the world. No matter who or what you do, pain is inescapable. But suffering, mental suffering, is not. Mental suffering is caused by wanting what is to be what it is not. Can you make friends with what is? Can you work with what is without allowing what is to make you crazed? There is no power in the crazed or maddened mind, quite the contrary. The calm mind contains the storm that can change any circumstance, deal with life's ups and downs, but remembers, no thing lasts forever. Even in your most serious moments, chuckle a bit, laugh a bit, let go a bit. Only when we let go can we regroup. Can we get a better hold on things? This is your one life. This is your moment. Live it. Laugh. Love it. Before we go deep into the woods, I'd like to welcome you, my friends, to this moment of reflection and mindfulness. In the words you've just heard, we find the essence of life's true purpose, and today we shall embark on a journey to embrace that purpose fully. Let us begin by finding a comfortable sitting position, gently closing our eyes and taking a deep, cleansing breath. As you inhale, feel the life force entering your body. And as you exhale, release any tension or worries you may be holding on to. Into the woods. Life is meant to be a celebration, a grand experience that we, as souls, call life. We are spirits having a human experience, navigating through a perceived world filled with undulating circumstances. At times we forget our purpose, but it is crucial to remember that we are here to make each moment the best it could possibly be. Repeat after me, either aloud or silently within. Life is a magnificent celebration, a grand experience meant to be cherished. I embrace each moment as a gift. With practice and awareness of how fleeting each moment is, we can learn to find a glimmer of light, even in the darkest situations. Pain is inevitable in this world, but mental suffering is not. It arises from wanting what is to be what it is not. The question is, can you make friends with what is? Can you work with what is without allowing it to drive you into madness? Repeat after me. I am not only capable of love, but I am love itself. I radiate this love which heals, nurtures growth, and brings life to all I touch. Know this: there is no power in a crazed or maddened mind. Instead, the calm mind contains the storm that can change any circumstance. Embrace the ups and downs, but remember that no thing lasts forever. Even in your most serious moments, find the courage to chuckle a bit, to laugh a bit, to let go a bit. It is only then when we let go that we can regroup and gain a better hold on things. Repeat after me. I accept the natural ebb and flow of life circumstances. I find strength in the calm of my mind, knowing it can weather any storm. This, my dear friends, is your one life. Our one life. Your one precious moment. Embrace it fully. Live it. Laugh within it. And love every aspect of it. Repeat after me. In every situation, I find a reason to chuckle, to laugh, and to let go. Joy is my compass, guiding me through life's journey. Before we exit the woods, with these affirmations in mind, with these reminders in mind, let us sit here in silence for a few moments, breathing in the essence of these words. As we open our eyes, let us carry these affirmations with us as we navigate the beautiful journey of life, celebrating, radiating love, embracing change, and choosing joy with each step we take. If you've enjoyed this meditation, please consider giving it a like, a share, and subscribing for more. Thank you for joining me. I'm Tony Victory. Thank you.